Hi everyone, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Leica, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the option display and brightness. Then let's scroll down and go to reading mode. So this is the eye comfort mode in this device, so just tap on it and tap on the switcher at the top. Probably you cannot really see any kind of difference. Let me quickly switch to the light mode. And here in the reading mode we've got two different options, so the cycle one and classic. The cycle one is more automatic, you cannot really customize it, so let me simply omit it and go to the classic. So just tap on the classic option, and now you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light, so if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. So let's tap on this arrow here to actually customize the classic option. And here we've got the color temperature switcher. Right now we've got it on this neutral option, I would say. We can go to the left to make it cooler and go to the right to make it warmer. We can also apply this texture option. I'm not sure if you will see it. But right now it is turned off. If you will go to the right, you can apply this paper-like texture to the background. It's up to you whether you want to use this effect or not. I think I will simply turn it off. And the colors, we can display full colors just like they are displayed right now. We can display light colors, so the colors are a little bit blurred, maybe not blurred, but pale and washed out. Or we can use black and white colors, so everything will be displayed in monochromatic way, which is quite cool. But I will restore the defaults. Let me go to the warmest section. And this is the manual customization of the reading mode. And if you'd like to turn it on quicker, simply unroll the upper panel, the control center, and go to edit, because we do not have the eye comfort mode here, so just tap on edit, and let's localize it in the system toggles. The reading mode is right here, so just tap on this plus icon on it and tap on this tick icon in the right upper corner to confirm everything. And as you can see, the the eye comfort mode will be right now applied in the control center, so you can quickly turn it off just by tapping on it and tap on it again to turn it on. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.